Tired of missing critical moments on the road? Imagine having crystal clear footage from both front and rear views, anytime, anywhere. From ultra-high definition recording to seamless low-light performance, these cutting-edge dashcams have you covered. Stick around to discover the ultimate devices that redefine on-the-go safety and peace of mind. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Nextbase 222X, the best budget dash cam front and rear. Upgrade your road trips with the Nextbase 222X, the best budget dash cam on the market. This Walmart exclusive model provides both front and rear recording capabilities, delivering solid value without straining your wallet. Video quality stands out with options for 1080p and 720p. While some may find the lower mode lacking, visuals remain clear enough to catch essential details during your drives. No important moments will slip by unnoticed. Installation becomes a breeze with its magnetic mount. Easily detach and reattach the camera whenever needed, ensuring it stays secure while you drive. This means you can focus on the road without a second thought about your dashcam. A clear 2.5-inch screen enhances usability. You can quickly review footage or adjust settings without any hassle. It makes the experience user-friendly, which is essential for those who may not be tech-savvy. Parking mode adds extra peace of mind, keeping an eye on your car after you've parked. This reassurance is beneficial for those worried about potential scrapes or hits, adding another layer of security. While one resolution option may not please everyone, this device serves its purpose well for everyday use. What I love most about the Nextbase 222X is its impressive blend of affordability and reliable functionality. But wait until you see how one model conquers the dark with unmatched clarity. At number 4, we have Viofo A229 Pro2 channel. The best low-light, dash cam front and rear. Capture every moment with the Viofo A229 Pro2 channel. If you're on the hunt for a reliable low-light dash cam, this one shines brightly. Its impressive 4K front and rear cameras ensure crystal clear recordings day or night. What sets the A229 Pro apart are its Sony Starvis 2 sensors. These sensors excel in low-light environments, reducing grain and enhancing clarity. Whether you're driving through dimly lit streets or facing harsh weather, you'll notice superior detail, a significant advantage over many competitors. Another standout feature is the HDR capability. This technology balances bright and dark areas in your footage, resulting in stunning detail even in tricky lighting situations. Capturing nuanced scenes becomes effortless, making it easier to document incidents accurately. Setup couldn't be more straightforward. You won't need to download an app or create an account to get started. A user-friendly interface lets you configure settings directly on the dashcam, streamlining the process and removing barriers. While its design may appear slightly dated, the performance more than compensates for that. Focusing on functionality rather than aesthetics proves Viofo's commitment to quality. What I appreciate most is the blend of ease and exceptional performance. This dashcam truly stands out in its category for handling low light conditions. And next, a 3-camera setup that elevates value like never before. Still searching for the perfect dashcam front and rear? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Vantru N4, the best value dash cam front and rear. Ready to elevate your driving experience? The Vantru N4 stands out as the best value dash cam, thanks to its 3-camera functionality. You get front, cabin, and rear view coverage, all on board in one sleek device. First, enjoy the impressive video quality. With a front camera resolution of 2560 by 2160 pixels, every detail is captured beautifully. The cabin camera features infrared lighting, which ensures clear footage even in low light, enhancing security within your vehicle. Coverage is expansive, with wide fields of view ensuring minimal distortion. This feature is fantastic for capturing important details from all angles. Picture-in-picture mode lets you view feeds from all cameras simultaneously, providing unparalleled situational awareness. Collision and motion detection features add a layer of safety. This technology automatically saves crucial moments, ensuring that critical incidents are recorded without any action on your part. If you need long-term storage, pair it with a 128 GB micro SD card for substantial footage retention. A minor consideration is the low frame rate recording mode, which may drain your battery quicker than expected. However, this mode is optional, allowing you to choose based on your needs. What I love most about the Vantru N4 is its overall balance of quality and features compared to similar models. Up next, a gadget that captures your world in full 360-degree detail. Don't miss it. At number 2, we have Vantru E360, the best dash cam front and rear for 360-degree view. Capture every unforgettable moment with the Vantru E360. This innovative dash cam offers a fantastic 360-degree view, making it perfect for front and rear recording. You'll feel more at ease, knowing you have a wide perspective of both the road ahead and the cabin's interior. Equipped with a selfie stick, this device is versatile. Transitioning from a dash cam to a 360-degree camera is seamless. Use it for vacations or family gatherings, allowing for stunning panoramic shots. Additionally, its ability to record high-quality 5.2K video helps you catch crucial details. Impressive as it sounds, perspective can come at the cost of clarity. The fisheye design makes certain details, like license plates, harder to discern. However, this wide view can give you a complete picture of your surroundings, potentially aiding in accident analysis. A secure mount keeps everything in place, but the magnetic attachment raises some eyebrows. While it easily detaches, you may wonder if it holds up during sudden stops. You'll appreciate the multifunctionality, even if it doesn't excel in every area. VanTrue has proven it can craft solid dash cams, as seen in their N43 model. E360 represents a different direction, catering to those wanting an all-in-one solution. If you're after a unique experience in dash cam technology, the Vantru E360 may just be your next favorite gadget. Stay tuned for a top pick that delivers ultra-high-definition recording in stunning 4K. It's worth the wait. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Thinkware U10, the best dash cam front and rear overall. Capture every moment on the road with the Thinkware U10. This dash cam stands out as the best option for its front and rear capabilities. You can record in stunning UHD 4K at 30 frames per second, or choose smooth 2K 1440p at 60 frames per second. The flexibility lets you tailor the experience to your needs and storage. Adding an optional rear camera enhances safety and provides clarity with a wide 156-degree angle. It installs neatly behind your rearview mirror, ensuring distractions during driving remain minimal. This design feature makes it blend well into your car's interior. Equipped with GPS, the Thinkware U10 offers speed camera alerts and average speed warnings. These features help you stay alert and aware, significantly boosting safety on long journeys. You'll appreciate how these reminders can reduce stressful moments on the road. One of my favorite aspects lies in its unobtrusive design. It doesn't block your view, allowing you to focus on the road. Although some may find its size less appealing compared to petite models like the Garmin 67 Watt, this larger design ensures superior performance. Driving with the Thinkware U10 provides peace of mind. Overall, its combination of high-quality recording and essential features makes it a top choice for serious drivers. Interested in enhancing your driving experience? Check out the Thinkware U10 for yourself. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best dash cam front and rear. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which dash cam front and rear you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.